Welcome to So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and today I'd like to share a story with you all about my quilting gloves. The story goes back and starts about 7 years ago. About 7 years ago, I was in a discount center and found a pair of gardening gloves. They were very inexpensive. They were like $2, so I bought both pair. What I liked about them is they were a size small, and I have very small hands, and I was excited to find a nice pair of gloves that had some grip on them. And I planned on bringing these into the quilting room, but if they didn't work, at least they would be good for gardening. They have been my go-to gloves for the last 7 years. For about 6 years, I've used the same pair, and you can see where some of that black has finally worn off after all of those years. So it was time for me to pull out my new pair. So for about a year, I've been using my new pair. So I'm very happy I bought them. When it was time for me to pull out my new pair of gloves, I thought, well, I'm going to go buy another pair. So I contacted the company and asked where I could buy another pair of their gardening gloves. Unfortunately, the reason I was able to buy them for $2 a pair was they were no longer available. They were discontinued stock, and they were not making any more. So a year passed after that, and I started thinking again, I need to find another pair of quilting gloves. So I checked out this company one more time, and I discovered the same company makes a pair of gloves, but it's not under the gardening name Guardwear, and they made them under the name of Wonder Grip. So they're Wonder Grip quilting gloves. I was very excited, and I contacted the company and said I would like to buy some, and they would not sell them to the public, so my search continued. So with some searching, I found a place that sells them. So they're not gardening gloves. They were gardening gloves turned into quilting gloves. How many times does that happen, where we have one product and it turns into something that we can use for quilting? And where I did find to buy them was from the quilt store from Alex Anderson. So I bought a small pair and an extra small pair. And I'll give you a close-up on how they look and how they look on me to give you an idea of the size. Now, I know there are many different quilting gloves out there. I've just never had to go buy a pair because I fell in love with my original pair. But let's take a look. So here's the original pair of my gardening gloves. They were called Guardwear. You can see after 6-7 years, I did wear out some key spots. So the new ones were brought into action. And if you look really close, you can see the folds in my hand where the gloves have taken the shape of my hand. I've used them a lot and there's very little wear on them. And they really have retained the shape quite well. You can see that they really haven't stretched out too much. They really did maintain their shape. The new pair are from the same company, and they're just under a different name. But they have that same great surface. The color is different, but they're really made the same way. I haven't been able to find a chart for sizing, so I'll show you the small and the extra small on my hand. When we buy gloves, the gloves are measured around the top part area here of our thumb. And you can see I'm just a little bit smaller than 3 inches. And my fingers are even smaller. So my hands are small this way, but they're also small that way. Here's the new small and my original small. They really do fit the same and they look the same. The small was still even a little bit big for me, and they still are slightly. I have a little bit of extra room in my fingertips. They still work great so they don't slide around, but I do have some extra room. The extra small for my hand works better. I have very little space between the glove and my hand. My fingers fit and they come right up to the end. And that width is also very comfortable. And you can see the little bit of a difference here. I would love to be able to share some sizing charts with you, but unfortunately I cannot find one. But hopefully this will give you a good idea on the sizing. Whenever I've bought any pair of gloves, I've always gone for a very small, like an extra small or a small. So I think the gloves are going to fit the same as it would in any pair of gloves that you're going to buy. This little extra space really has not made any difference. It really grips the fabric and it doesn't turn around on my finger. So I think we could fit in between two sizes if we're looking to buy gloves. Now I know there are a lot of different quilting gloves. I've just never had to look for a pair because I already had a pair that worked for me. So in the comments, I would love to know what gloves you wear and what you like about your gloves. I'll put a link in the description so you can check them out. And thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe, and as always, come on back. Let's see what we're talking about next time in the sewing room. Bye for now.